Think you can't save because you earn too little? Wrong. Even someone earning 10,000 rupees or $200 a month can save if they do this one thing differently. Most people save what's left after spending, but the trick is to spend what's left after saving. Let's say you earn 20,000 rupees. Save just 10%, that's 2,000 rupees, the moment you get paid. Treat it like a bill, like rent or electricity, non-negotiable. Now you're forced to live on 18,000 rupees. And guess what? You will naturally adjust. Start small. Automate that saving into a separate account. Even 500 rupees a month becomes 6,000 a year. It's not the amount, it's the habit that builds wealth. Start today, save before you spend.
Feels good watching my own future grow.
Follow for more money tips that actually work.